Hey guys, welcome to a new unboxing. This is the first video you will see with my actual new iPhone 7 Plus, so I hope the quality is alright. And today I changed the perspective a little bit, changed my place, and I got the package right here. And yeah, my glasses are broken. And I have it here. And I got this cans from Dorian Sommer. Actually, they got some rumors about him that are not so good. So this video is first of all, for you, for me, a typical unboxing. And the second thought about it is that you all can see that Dorian is a pretty good trader or seller. Depends on what you're doing. And I got this box here with cans, and I will open them. If I can do it. It's pretty good packed from the outside. We will see the inside in a second. Yeah, the same, even better. A freaking lot better. That's the way how you should do it. And we have 8 cans right here. And we will start with the, I would say, least good one, but that still is a pretty decent one. And this one is empty. It's a Monster Energy reduced carb from Canada with the typical health, nutrition, natural health product, and the French. Nobody cares about the French writing. And then we go to the exciting ones. We start with this Rockstar Inked Up. Top opened. Then we go to this Rockstar Inked Up. Damn. Bottom opened. And yesterday, when I record this, was my birthday. You probably will see it on Sunday. I record this on Saturday. My birthday was on Friday. Then when you see it, tomorrow is Monday, and so on. And it's Halloween. Cool, right? And we go on with this pretty epic Rockstar Inked Up. Damn. Also bottom opened. It's a tiny hole. That's pretty nice. And we could go on with this Rockstar Inked Up. That's a present. Damn. I got this one already, but that's not a problem. I will find some use for that, for sure. And we go on with, let me guess, another Rockstar Inked Up. Damn. Also, bottom opened with the tiny hole. This one, I don't know if I can see the artist on here. I don't think so. Nope. And we go on with this Rockstar Inked Up. Yeah, you see right, another one. Like DJ Khaled would say, another one. Pretty nice, a skull eye. And we come to the last one, and it's, you can guess it, another Rockstar Inked Up. Also bottom opened through that tiny hole. And this package is just awesome. I can't describe it other ways. I don't know what I should say about it. It wasn't that cheap, it was a good price for sure, but it's still a kind of investment. And that was it. Dorian is a pretty nice guy, and I got my cans. I pay like a normal deal, and that's how it works. Yeah, I totally lost it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.